A quarter-acre lot with a pool in Las Vegas? Do you know how rare that is right now? Let me show you. This floor plan just works. Room to spread out, room to come together. Great room, flex space off the kitchen. It feels good the second you walk in. Spacious secondary bedrooms with attached bathrooms, tucked away from the primary. Everyone gets their own space. No compromises. Pool, fireplace, shaded seating. This backyard was built to be lived in. Three-car garage. 2 for the cars, 1 for everything else. Bikes, gear, toys, it all fits. Thanks for joining me on this tour. The only question left, is this home right for you? I'm Lanny Belcher with eXp Realty. Contact me for a private tour.